The Redirect Manager in Flipper Site Developer CMS is a 404 crawl error analyzer and 301 URL redirect tool with Google Search Console integration. I'm going to show you what that means and how it works. So if you are logged into your Flipper Site Developer CMS website, and you can go to Webmaster Tools and then Redirect Manager. Now, Redirect Manager is a standard feature with Flipper Site Developer CMS as a whole. So if your website runs on it, you do have this feature. And what it does is it integrates with Google Search Console. So these results on the bottom are coming from Google Search Console. Obviously, in my environment right now, it's a demo, so these URLs don't exist. But in yours, you will be able to see what pages or what URLs are people are finding and are going to a 404 error. And not only that, you will also get the ability to see what websites or web pages are linking to these pages that are sending to people to 404 error pages, which is a neat feature and it's very handy. And the reason you want to fix these is because Google rewards you for sending your traffic to content that exists, one, and two, you don't want to lose that traffic. So I'm going to give you an example here. So say at some point you had a page that was / about us, but either you moved your website or y'all decided to change the URL to about. So currently these two websites link to about us, and anyone visiting these two websites that clicks on those links to go to about us on your website are getting an error. And that could be an error page or simply being redirected to the home page. With the Redirect Manager in Flipper Site Developer CMS, you have the ability to not only see what crawl errors or 404 pages you have the ability to see where they're coming from, and you have the ability to correct this with 301 redirects, which are permanent redirects to these links. So again, in your interface, you will see actual pages that you have and the pages that they are being linked from. So again, I'm going to take my About Us example. I'm just simply going to click. It's going to fill my source path. So this is saying when someone visits / About Us on my website. So in my situation, it would be pimppublishing.ppi local / About Us. I don't want them to go there. I want them to go to About, because that is the new URL or the appropriate content where I want them to go. So then I hit add, and as you can see it has added it there. So when someone hits About Us, the target path now is About. Again, very important and very cool that you can do all this within your content management system. Because you get the ability to, again, see what pages are causing errors, where they're linking from, and you have the ability to correct them with 301 redirects. So that's the Redirect Manager tool within Flipper Site Developer CMS. Again, another great feature to make it easier for web administrators to, simplify the process of doing what they do and keeping and maintaining their websites.